Beginner's Guide to Using TikTok. If you are a beginner on TikTok and then you'd like to use the TikTok application as a beginner, now this is assuming you have already went ahead and then created it in the normal TikTok account. It doesn't really require much of an intellectual knowledge to do so. Now, once you went ahead and then opened up an account, right on the home page, this is the feed where you can see other people's videos and photos. You can follow them, you can like them, you can have and view the comment section, you can save this and you can share this, or you can use this music. If you scroll down, you'll be able to go to various of those. Now, this will be the following tab only for the people you follow, the Explore tab and the Steam tab over here, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics only. So you can find them here as well. If you go to the top right hand side, you can see the search icon, which you can use to simply search other people or whatever else type of content you're looking for. If you go to the friends tab, you'll see the list of videos that your friends have posted, which is people you follow and if they follow you back. If you tap the plus icon is where you can create your own TikTok videos, you can post to your stories, or you can create your own poster content from here. You can use various editing tools that are available, and you can also choose the pictures and videos from your gallery to edit them out. If you go to inbox, you'll see the messages that you have shared with other people. And if you go to profile, of course, it says what it says. It's just about your own profile and all the content that you've posted. And you'll see a number of followers, the number of following, and other details as such. Similarly, if you tap the three lines from the top right hand side, you can go to TikTok Studio, TikTok Balance, and settings on privacy, where you can customize most of your settings over here. So you can go to your account settings to be able to view your account settings, followed by privacy, security, analytics, notifications, and all the other app settings as such. And this is a beginner's guide on how you can use TikTok as a beginner. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.